Hello everyone, and thank you for watching my videos. So today we are turning our attention to the Nesspresso Essenza Mini machine. Now specifically, we are going to descale the machine today. I've had this machine now for about 6 months and have used it constantly, so it is time to go ahead and clean it and descale it. Now to begin, we're going to turn on the machine, which you already saw, and then we're also going to remove the extra pieces so we can clean the machine. So we're getting everything ready. So go ahead and remove the plastic pieces from the front and any of the capsules that may already be in the machine. In addition, you're going to need a bowl that's large enough to hold at least 1 liter of water. Next, go ahead and grab the water reservoir from the back. Now open it and fill it with fresh water. Fill it all the way to the maximum line, which should be about 0.6 liters of fresh water. Now on top of that, we're going to put the descaling solution. Now the descaling solution that you use may be a liquid solution. Mine is a powdered solution, so I'm going to mix it and ensure it dissolves fairly well. And then we're going to put the reservoir back on top of the machine. Okay, so with that, we are ready. Let's go ahead and enter the descaling mode. To do this, hold both buttons for at least 5 seconds. By doing so, both lights will start blinking. This means that you are now in the descaling mode. To begin descaling, what you're going to do is that you're going to touch the lungo button, so the button on the right, just one time, and water will begin to start dispensing from the machine. So the descaling cycle has begun. So the water looks like it's pretty dirty. It validates that we definitely needed to descale the machine. Now one of the things you'll be able to see is that the water in the reservoir is empty, meaning that the descaling solution is complete and needs to be refilled. Now this is going to sound a little bit counterintuitive, but take the water from the bowl, the dirty water, and put it back into the reservoir. Once you've put it into the reservoir, put it back into the machine and start the descaling process again by hitting the lungo button as you're seeing right now. Now on the descaling, the second time around, we know the water is going to be dirty. We reused that old dirty water to begin with, but this is what the machine instructions say that you need to do. So go ahead and run it until the water is completely empty in the back in the reservoir. Now that we run the descaling cycle twice, let's go ahead and grab the water reservoir. Make sure this time though to clean it and clean it very well, so we don't want any more of the descaling solution in it. Now put fresh water in the reservoir and we're going to run another cycle with fresh water. This is to ensure the machine is cleaned and doesn't have any descaling solution in the machine. Oh, and by the way, throughout this entire cycle, keep in mind that the buttons on top are going to be blinking. That is completely normal. And now here it is. Notice the fresh water. It's still not completely clean, but it is a lot better than it was before. With that, you are done. So let's go ahead and take the machine out of descaling mode. Now to do this, press both buttons as we did before simultaneously for about 5 seconds. Once you remove your fingers, you're going to notice the light is no longer blinking and it has gone to a solid light, which means we are back to normal and you are done with descaling. Congratulations. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like it, leave me a comment, and definitely subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next video.